Hey budget friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am an Australian cash stuffer and you have clicked on the cash stuffing for my savings challenges. Now I follow the zero-based budget and currently right now I am stuffing my savings, my challenges, which acts as my savings money, and you're just pretty much doing it in a fun way for me personally. Now, I did not film the last cash stuffing savings challenges because Darwin's the weather is just pure wetness. Like, just rain. There's no stopping it. There's no time. And it's been like that for about maybe a month or so now, and it's just been really hard to just trying to find the right spots to film, especially you're also like, for me personally, I have a lot of dogs around me, so also that background noise is just like, yeah, it's just crazy. I am so sorry that I am not putting up consistently with content, but I am trying to do my best here and I definitely want to share my journey authentically. So let's get cash stuffing. Let's start with my monthly challenge, and this challenge will be getting $20. No, actually, I don't think it is getting, oh no, it is. It is getting $20. So, I'll cross that off. And now, we have 20, 40, 60. Two. So $62 in my with a bang challenge, which is not bad. So that is done. And then let's quickly go back to my challenge. And I have to make a new one of this. Also, let me quickly just grab you this. I have added more his and her variation challenges. So these two here, they are, they have 1.5 and 2.5. Okay, 1,500, 2,500. So that was the only two options, but I have added these ones as well, the 1,000s, and I think I've also added 2,000s. So check out my Etsy if you're interested in those those numbers. So I'm definitely going to be using the 1,000 for certain things, but yeah, I'll tell you guys when it comes up. So let's just do these two now. So this one I am doing a $10. So I'll put a $10 in here. So now we have 60. I should find a way to do this better, but it's okay. So the reason why I am doing, well, I'm trying to do the least amount of numbers in these challenges is because I want to definitely prioritize my holiday that's coming up in February. So that is what I'm trying to put all of my money in after all my sinking funds is done. So The next one will be 30. So I'll mark that one down. And I'll put 20 and a 10. Oop. So now his 2,500 challenge has $50, $70, $80, $90, which is not bad, to be honest. So we are done stuffing his and her challenge, and I'm just going to put that like that. So that is done. My challenge, and we will stuff the 1,500 one. We're going to put $10. So I'm just gonna take a 10. Oh, take this 10. I want the nasty ones. I think I'm becoming like a what Taylor Budgets call herself, a money snob or something like that. So yeah, I think I'm, you know, becoming a money snob, because I want the nasty ones to be in my $100 envelope challenge, just because you can't really see it and I have to fold up money. So $10 is there, and that gives us a total of $70. And then you have my 2,500 challenge, and I'm going to put 30. So let's take that out. 30, 20, and a nice 10. So now in this challenge we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. And let's mark that one down. And we are done stuffing my his and hers challenge. So we are done. Now on to, so $10. I'm going to take a $10 out, and I'm just going to put it right in here. And this $10 is for my son's challenge, which I will update you guys on next savings challenge. So we are now onto my envelope challenge. Okay, so actually I looked over in my little budget sheet that I've showed you guys, and the $10 for the kids was not there. So I'm going to take that, put that back. So let's do this one, the 100 envelope challenge. Now I'm having so much fun. If I want to complete it within the 100 days, I would have to be doing 7 envelopes, but because I'm prioritizing my holiday, I just cannot do that just of yet. So I am trying to do my best. We are going to be stuffing 2 25s, so 2 25s and 2 35s. And I have been eager, like, you guys have no idea. These are so cute. They're just so cute, and I just want to like play with it and hold it and stuff it as much as I can. And I thought about just this I don't know, just everything with this. And yeah, I just think like I'm just not going to put it in order. Just wait and see. Anyway, I'm just rambling on. So 25. I think last time when you saw me stuff this, I had an extra $75 and I think I stuffed only 65. Oh, I can't lift this. And that is because because this box is already small, I just don't want to be putting in extra notes in this envelope. Like I just don't, I want to keep it as, you know, the exact note, and I didn't have 75. I'm pretty sure that's why I didn't have 75. If you guys were wondering anyway. If you guys weren't, then yeah, it's all good in the hood. So, $25. In there. And let me squish that up. Okay, 25 is done. Let's do another 25. I'm finding that there's a lot of old notes circling around still, and whenever I receive it, I will be putting it into my envelope challenge. Just so that I don't see it at all. But that's one of the ways I am a cash snob. Taylor, I got you. So 35, 20, 10, and a 5. Sorry for if you guys can hear the dogs. It is during the day, and I think there was a dog outside just roaming around, which is super sad, but all the other dogs are like, you know, marking their territory, so they're just, yeah, they're just barking at him. Maybe this is meant to be for kids challenge. I think I'm just going to leave it for kids challenge. Maybe I was right. Maybe, I don't know. Extra money anyway. So, the last 35. Oh, it's so cute, these little envelopes, and I'm really digging it. I think especially when they're like nice and clear as well, you get to see our color money, you know, and it's super great, like, to be living in Australia and having these colorful pigmented money. Oh look, kookaburra. So cute. Anyway, so we are done. Let me quickly mark them off our envelope challenge. And I have created some more envelope variations. So just check my Etsy store. Yeah, there's like, I think I did like a 45 envelope challenge, and maybe something else as well. I think so. So let's put that back. I just don't know how many is going to fit. I'm not going to put them in order. I'm just going to put them in it and see how many it's going to take. And we are done stuffing my challenges. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Have a lovely day. Bye.